So let's take example. Now find y at x. So I have a set of data and x is given, y is given, and I want to find, or I want to interpolate the value of y4. So the first important step is to find which data is close. So now 4 is between 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 are the closest data, and 1 is the farthest one. So the first step is to reorder the data from the closest one to the farthest one. So now suppose we have 4 here, okay, 4 here. So now the closest one is 3 and 5 because the difference is 1 only. Then we have 2 and 6, the difference are 2. Then we have 1 where the difference is 3. So the first step is to reorder the values from the closest one to the farthest one. So this will be the new order, and x naught, y, x naught, x1, x2, x3, and x4. Now the second step, we want to find the p from p1, from p naught until p minus 1. So we want to create like a table like this. Here we have x, and here we have y, which is p naught, and then we want to create p1, p2, p3, p4 because it's n minus 1 and we have 5 values, so we have p4. So and then we'll put the values according to the following steps. So now p1, to create p1 is calculated from the slope is 40 minus 5.5 over 5 minus 3. Then calculate the other p1, it will be 4 minus 40 over 2 minus 5. Then calculate the other value here, so it will be 82 minus 4 over 6 minus 2. Then we want to find the value here, so it will be 7 minus 82 over 1 minus 6. Okay, now we can't find the value here because we don't have any data, but we can find the value here from 12 minus 17.25, and here the x is 2 minus 3. Why 2 minus 3? Why we didn't make like 5 minus 3? Because here notice that 12 here, check, 12 here is for 2 and 5, so the maximum value here is 2. Okay, and 17.5, check the 17.5, the lowest value here is 3, so it should be between 2 and 3. The same here, I found the for this one 7.5, so 7.5 is 19.5 minus 12, and here let's check here 19.5, so 19.5, where is 19.5? It's here, so the largest value is 6, so it will be, should be 6 here. Okay, now and 12, so let's go for 12. The lowest value here is 5. Okay, then find this value, so it will be 15 minus 19.5 over 1 minus 2. Again 15 here, check 15 here, 1 minus 6. Okay, so the largest value is 1, and then for 19 minus 5, where is 19? 19 here, where I can't find it, yes, here, so it will be 2. Okay, and similarly we can find the remaining values, so my final table will be like this. This is my final table. Then since I have all piece values, then I can do the interpolation. So the third order interpolation will be P naught. Okay, so P naught is the closest value to the interpolation, so it will be 5.5. This is P naught plus P1, P1 17.25 times x is the value I want to interpolate, minus x naught, and x naught is 3, plus P2 5.25 times 4 minus 3 times 4 minus 5, because we need the other values. Okay, and so on, so we can find the interpolation value for the third order is 15.75.